Wow, 20,000 subscribers. I am so happy. Thank you all so much for your support. About a year ago, I had a contest for the 20,000 subscriber giveaway that I did not promote very well. So I'm going to pick a winner and give you all a chance to enter to win again. So I have two winners. Congratulations to Leah G, you won the donut cutter. And congratulations to Miss Keisha Siobhan Deloach, you won the cast iron skillet. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this quick and easy barbecue and basil pork chops. It's going to be quick, easy, delicious. You'll be able to find the ingredients for today's recipe in the description box. Now to enter today's giveaway, just let me know what would you make in your cast iron skillet. You must be 18 years old and in the United States of America, and just leave a comment down below. Just let me know what would you like to make. Let me know that you want to be entered to the contest and you'll win a cast iron skillet and a donut cutter. Please stay tuned because I have some more exciting giveaways coming within the next few days. I have 4 medium pork chops here. I'm just going to lightly season both sides with just some kosher salt and pepper. I'm using coarse ground black pepper. So I'm going to season one side here and then I'll season the opposite side when I have it in the pan. And on medium heat, I'm going to add some sunflower oil to my cast iron skillet. Just a couple of tablespoons. Swirl the pan around. So I'm going to add, I have an onion that I sliced and I separate the onion. I just want to sprinkle almost all of the onion around into the pan on the bottom. I just want to sort of begin cooking the onion so it can begin to release some of that flavor. And I have some fresh basil from my garden here that I'm just going to throw in with those onions. Season side down. Scatter some of those onions around. And then I'm going to put some more onions on top. And then after putting on the salt and pepper on top, we're just going to pour our barbecue sauce over. And I have a homemade barbecue sauce. I'll post a recipe soon. So you can use bottled barbecue sauce, whatever your favorite is. I'm going to turn the heat off. Spread that barbecue sauce on top the pork chop, just sort of moving everything around to make sure it gets dredged and everything. Once you get everything dredged, it's going to go in the preheated 425-degree oven. This is going to bake for about 10 to 15 minutes. These are not going to take very long to bake. I'll let you know how long I let them bake. And these are about 1/4 inch thick pork chops. So here is our pork chops, and I'm going to just take one and put it on the plate. I garnished it with some fresh basil. You can definitely serve this with something like mashed potatoes, a salad, rice. You can use, you know, let the barbecue sauce to drip on top of your rice if you want. So I'm going to give this a taste test. Please give me a thumbs up and share my video and leave a comment down below. Seems like I got mostly bone. I don't want to bite into all that bone here. So it's very tender. They took 12 minutes for them to bake for me. So here goes. Wow. It's very tender, very juicy. The barbecue sauce really went through the pork chop, the flavor of it, the flavor of the basil and the onions really went through. Really, really beautiful flavors going on there for something that's so simple. So if you guys are in a hurry, just want to throw something together, try this recipe. If you don't eat pork, you can definitely do it with chicken. Of course, you have to cook the chicken accordingly to its 165-degree Fahrenheit internal temp. Okay, thank you all so much for watching, and please remember to live and be well, and let's try to send more positive energy out around the world. Thank you so much for your support.